Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a review on this cushion right here. This is the YSL Encre de Peau or the Fusion Ink Foundation. This has been around for quite some time now, and I think this is only available in Asia. I got mine from woju.com. It's like the Sephora of the Middle East. This is the first time I'm reviewing a high-end cushion foundation, so I'm really excited. This cushion is really popular in Korea and it's $75. It's very expensive, but luckily I purchased mine during the buy one get one offer at woju.com, so I got mine half off. So according to the website, this is the first YSL No Matte Foundation Cushion Compact, long-lasting perfection captured in one stamp. The natural looking result of a liquid foundation with the ease and use and practicality of a compact. Before I purchased this foundation, I did not research on the shades. I just assumed that the numbers are similar to MAC, so I got the number 20. I thought that is similar to the MAC NC20, but I was wrong. Now that I'm doing this review, I searched on the website that this cushion is actually lighter compared to the other YSL foundations. These are the shade comparisons with the regular Fusion Ink Foundation. So if you are BD20 on the Fusion Ink Foundation, which is like the MAC NC15 to NC20, you are number 30 with the Cushion Foundation. At the back of this cushion, it says that it is made in Korea, so I'm actually curious if the other cushions from Korea will fit this foundation. Okay, so I will try to take off the refill. So this is how you take it off. You just open this and push this side down so that will pop up, and then just push this side there. So first I will try the Hera UV Mist cushion if it fits. The Hera, and let's see. Here is slightly bigger than the YSL. Next, I will try this cushion from Laneige because I think this might be smaller. So again, open it like that. Let's see if it fits. It does not fit. It's too small. Okay, next is from Ayope. It doesn't fit, so you really have to buy the YSL refill. I really hope that the other cushions would fit this case. It's really beautiful, it looks classy, it looks expensive, but unfortunately you need to buy the YSL refill. Okay, so let's now proceed to the application, and I just applied my skincare. And as you can see, the color is super light for me. I naturally have redness around my face. That's why I prefer yellow-based foundations. And this foundation is too pink for my undertone. All of the other colors have pink undertone as well. I hope they make new colors for this foundation since it is mostly available in Asian countries, and most Asians have yellow undertone. And please excuse my face, I have no idea why I have been breaking out lately. And as you can see, the foundation covers the redness but not the breakouts. It also gives a nice natural finish and a nice medium coverage. This is how it looks with powder on, and I use the Laneige Pure Radiance powder in Pure Natural. According to the website, the foundation is supposed to have a matte finish, but for me it's more of a satin than matte. And I have combo skin and it doesn't look drying or too matte for me. I think the finish is beautiful, but as you can tell, it's very pink compared to my hand. And what I can do next time is maybe use a darker powder on top so that it matches my skin tone. After 7 hours, this is what the foundation looks like. It shows a little bit of wear around my nose and where I get oily. The redness on my cheeks and blemishes became more visible, and it did settle into my dry patches, but it doesn't look that bad. But overall, I think this foundation held up pretty good. It made my face look more luminous throughout the day, and it still looks like skin, which is good because I don't like the look of heavy foundation. Let's now talk about the pros and cons of this foundation. This foundation looked very natural. The finish is very beautiful. Even though it has medium coverage, it did not look cakey or heavy on the skin. It has a nice satin finish which isn't too oily or too matte. It gives a nice healthy glow that looks very flattering on the skin. It's very comfortable to wear. It does not feel sticky and it just feels like you're wearing a light moisturizer. And this foundation did not separate or look patchy throughout the day. It did not settle into my pores, fine lines, and it did not emphasize any dryness too much. And it gave a nice natural looking finish. Now let's talk about the cons. So this foundation have pink undertones. I prefer foundations that have yellow undertones to counteract the redness around my face. And it has some minor transfer. So if you will be doing your eyeliner after applying this foundation, where you will need to place your finger here and like stretch this part of your eye to create a line, there will be transfer on your fingers. But that will easily be fixed by layering the foundation on top, and this foundation layers really well. The next con is that it isn't long lasting, especially on hot humid weather. At the end of the day, after having this foundation on for 7 hours, the redness on my face and the blemishes started to peek through, and the oily parts of my face, like on my nose, chin, and on this side, the foundation started to wear off. Overall, I love this foundation. I love the natural looking finish. I love the medium coverage. I love that it evens out my skin tone. I think this foundation is great to use during the colder months. Based on my experience, when I used this foundation during the hot 40-degree weather, it just wore off quickly. That's my review on the YSL Encre de Peau or the Fusion Ink Cushion Foundation. If you want to see more of my foundation reviews, I will put the playlist link on the description box. And if you have any questions regarding this foundation, leave it in the comments below. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And follow me on my social media accounts on my Instagram and on my Facebook. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.